Let's show you how you can get your Copilot agent shared across Microsoft Teams within Microsoft Copilot Studio right now. So if you have created a custom Copilot agent within Microsoft Copilot Studio and are now wanting to share it with people within your organization or maybe just a few select colleagues, then you are in the right place. And I just want to tell you, you have already done the hard part of creating your agent. I just want to show you the last few steps as far as sharing this and how you can go about doing that. So here I am within Microsoft Copilot Studio, and Copilots have these things called channels. And you can get there by clicking on this kind of channels tab. And channels are just how you can kind of share your Copilot with the world. All the different ways that people can access your Copilot, assuming you set them up. And what we are wanting to do here is use this Teams and Microsoft 365 channel. If I click on that channel here, then you will see this screen here. I don't know why this keeps getting checked for me. It has not been shared yet. Obviously, I mean, let me just share it. Before this, I did a test run and undid this, and it still seems to be checking for me. I'm unsure why. But nonetheless, you are going to want to check this channel, this box here, and hit Add Channel. This is going to turn on this channel for you, and so then you can use it going forward. I also want to share that the first time you do this and you click on this channel, this is going to have some super generic, like, build a Microsoft Copilot with me sort of language, and just a generic, it's actually, I think it's the old Power Virtual Agents logo in here. You are going to want to update and edit these details. These do not carry over from kind of the name descriptions and icons that you set for your Copilot in kind of the overview tab. So you're going to want to update these accordingly, because when you share this within Microsoft Teams, this is actually what people are going to see. It is not what you have defined here. So make sure you update this. You can change the background color, change the icon, and any of these additional settings here, and save it. But now I have kind of turned on the Microsoft Teams channel and I've set up all of my settings. You can go and see some additional availability options here. There's just a couple in there and they're fairly self-explanatory. So I'm going to continue on. Now, you'll notice this line, you need to republish your agent after you add this to the M365 Copilot, checkbox here, and add it to that channel. And so now I'm going to publish my Copilot, and this will take, a few seconds. I just want to take this time while this is publishing just to say that I actually would love to connect with you. The first link in the description down below is how you can get in direct contact with me. If you feel like you have any questions or need additional help, or hey, we just want to learn something together about Microsoft Copilot, click the first link down in the description down below. I would love to get in contact with you and potentially help you build your Copilots as well. Okay, sweet. We are done publishing. This is actually a phenomenal call out here in that Microsoft has Copilot Authentication settings, so making sure, if people need to log in order to use your Copilot, and or all the different scenarios there. Microsoft, the authentication settings will heavily impact the channels that are available for you. So if for some reason the experience that you are having is different than what I'm having, or you've deployed it, you can't deploy it to the Teams channel, or you've deployed it to the Teams channel and it's not working, check out your authentication settings. But nonetheless, if I click back on this tab again, we are all deployed to Teams, and the easiest way to get there, in my opinion, at first is going to be this See Agent in Teams button here. If I click this, it's going to take me to Microsoft Teams. And here is our Coffee Copilot that I can now add as, I guess, a widget within Microsoft Teams. This is going to add it to this left-hand sidebar for me to always kind of come back to as I seem fit. You can also share this by clicking this button here and getting an actual link that you could share to a specific group of colleagues. And there are permission settings as well that you can set up. So I hope that answers your questions and that helps you get your Copilot deployed to Microsoft Teams. Deployed might sound like a really fancy term to you, but that is okay. Your Copilot is now going to be there and users are going to be able to add it to their teams. I just want to say, if you think this was cool, then you are going to want to check out this video here, as it shows you how you can actually now deploy your Copilot to an external website as you need. My name is Griffin Lickfelt, the host of the Citizen Developer channel. Be sure to subscribe, but check out the Power Talks podcast also on this channel. Thank you so much for being here. I'm excited to connect with you in the next one.